The water coolant is an awesome way to keep your computer ultra cool and ultra quiet. In this video, we're going to show you how to change the coolant of DIY liquid cooling system. This is also the perfect time to clean the inside of the cooler as well. For changing the coolant of the DIY liquid cooling system, things you will need include a bottle of coolant, a refill bottle, and some paper towels. Step 1. Pull out the cooler from the PC case. Step 2. Turn on the cap by a coin first. Use the refill bottle to vacuum away the coolant in the tank. You may lift up the cooler a little bit for the coolant flow back to the cooler tank. Step 3. Removing the tubes from the cooler. Step 4. Flip over the radiator and dump the coolant out. Repeat this process until there's no more coolant coming out. Step 5. Connecting the tubes back to the cooler itself. Step 6. You may fill up your lube by the refill bottle or a paper cup. Pinch the top of the cup to create a funnel, pouring the coolant into the tank. Lift up the tank of the cooler for the coolant to flow into the tube to bleed out air bubbles in the tubes. In step 7, connect the cooler to the power and let it run for a second. When your tank gets about halfway down, fill it up to the top again. Repeat this process until the water level in your tank stays constant. Make sure there's no leak of your lube, then your water lube is ready to go. The final step, put the DIY liquid cooling system back to the PC case.